What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing for you guys. To be exact, it is a NG models unboxing, and we'll get straight into it. If you guys do enjoy, please consider leaving a like on the video. I'm going to cue a time lapse of me opening it. And here is the model. We are just going to briefly go over the box, starting with the Boeing 737-800. Then we have WestJet computer generated aircraft. This is in the 100 Boeing 737 NG livery. Then here is the WestJet title with the registration, which is C-GAWS. And then on the other side we have 100 Boeing 737 NG and then NG models. Let's get straight into the unboxing. Now with the unboxing portion of the video. Let's get straight into this WestJet 737-800 review. Starting off at the front half here, we have the nose cone, and then right here we have the cockpit windows as well as the landing gear down here, and then we have the L1 boarding door right here with the WestJet titles up top, and we have one antenna right here, one right here, and a beacon light right here. And then you can see I chose to go with the special livery, which is the 100 Boeing 737 NG. And then let's move the aircraft forward just a little bit. We do have the 2 overwing exits on each side, so 4 total overwing exits. The Euro white engine as well as the landing gear. And then allow me to focus on the winglets really quick, which are a blue, white and dark blue color. And then going back to the aircraft, we have the Wi-Fi box right here. This would be pretty much your economy class. I could be wrong, but I think WestJet is a all economy on their 737-800, but I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. But then right here it says Boeing 737-800, as you can see. And then if we scoot the airplane forward just a little bit more, we have the Canadian flag right here. And the registration, which is C-GAWS. And then we have the WestJet tail right here and the rudders right there. Moving right along to the front of the aircraft, you can see all of its glory with the cockpit windows and then the engines, as well as the 2 winglets on the side. And then you can see the WestJet titles and the antennas and Wi-Fi box towards the back of the aircraft. Here is a view from the top of the aircraft to see how magnificent and beautiful this aircraft is. I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. I am aware this was actually pretty short, but I hope you guys did enjoy nevertheless. If you guys did, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel if you are new. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching, and I am so thankful for all of your guys' support. I am working hard on my room and all of the airports to get them finished for you guys, and I'm super excited to show you guys the new Denver International Airport. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.